And I saw that one of his heads, as it were, wounded to death, and the deadly wound was healed, and all of the world wondered after the beast. This major biblical event has not yet to happen, but I believe that it soon will happen, and we have clues. Hi guys, so I wanted to go over some things. We are upcoming a date that I believe was symbolized by the White House at the Anarok Sariv, those are backwards, also code Devoke Task Force meeting on 4/4/20. Deborah Birx was said happy birthday to, and Anthony Fauci said, oh, she's 39 years old. Well, I believe that this was a coding event. The reason why I believe this is the White House Corona Task Force was 4/4/20. That's where she was said happy birthday to. Happy birthday equals 604. Okay, that happens to be Shavuot this year. All right, so you can see this. I also have Obama Headwound. I believe that's going to happen. So that's on 6/4/22. That is Shavuot this year, 2022. He afterwards said 39 years old. Why did he do that? Look at this code right here. 39 is 791 days. It is 791 days from that White House Task Force meeting to Shavuot 2022. And somebody said happy birthday to her. Okay, they're meeting in Davos, so that was a significant event. So happy birthday is encompassed with this one code, telegraphing their plans. 39, he said, oh, she's joking, saying that she's 39 years old. 39 equals 791, and that's exactly how many days are from that White House Corona Task Force meeting, okay? Here you go. Would you like to see the clip? Let's go take a look at the clip. You could barely hear it, but someone behind her was saying happy birthday.
39 years old. 39
All right, he says
years
39. So there's a reason for their madness. 39 equals 791. And that is the total amount of days from that task force meeting to Shavuot, which is June 4, 2022. Here is another point I wanted to bring out. So there is the Nuclear Threat Initiative, NTI, held a drill for monkeypox, okay? And then they stated, and then so do you see the June 5th right there? So they're putting that as an important date in the timeline. On that NTI report, let's go to it, they claim that 1421 people died between that time. That's the simulated deaths, right? Okay, this is from nti.org. I will link it, and it's a scenario of the monkeypox pandemic. So the attack begins May 15th, 2022. That's when we had a blood moon. And then June 5th, that's one day after the date that I am saying is very important. So June 4, June 5th, I have gematria that states that Barack Hussein Obama will be shot on that day. So why do they pick these random numbers? Well, 1421 equals Barack Hussein Obama death. 1421. Junior, sorry. Junior. Okay. He goes by Junior as well. If you do any research, he also goes by Junior. It is part of what he chooses to code his name with. All right. So we already have this telegraphing 1421 equals Barack Hussein Obama Jr. death. We have June 5th, 2022. And that is when I am saying I have seen coding that's saying that his fake death will be on that date. We had the White House Task Force meeting also telegraphing this. Just to repeat, in the clip I showed you, Deborah Birx, they said happy birthday to. It was her pretend birthday, I'm sure, and I'm sure they were just doing it for coding purposes. That was on 4/4/2020. Birthday just happens to be 604 in Gematria, okay? WEF is meeting on 5/22, and that is also the Gematria for birthday. Looks like these dates are very important to them. Then Anthony Fauci said 39 years old, and 39 equals 791, and that is the precise number of days from 4/4/20 to this date 6/4/22. We see this here. It states, and this is a scenario, but we know there's scenarios usually come true. The original monkeypox attack, what we've already been seeing forming, started May 15th. I did confirm this. In fact, I saw it was actually May 14th. And then June 5th, they state 1421 people die. If you look up 1421 in Gematria, Barack Hussein Obama Jr. death. Okay? So 1421 people die up to this point. 1421. This looks to me like an extreme coding event. Now we're going to go over the Gematria that reveals that it is a huge possibility that this day is the day that he will fake die. Okay, so according to the Gematria of the date reveals what will happen. June 8, 2022, Obama mortal wound healed. This is 3.5 days after June 4, which is perhaps why they're coding it with June 4 and June 5, okay? So, the beast that arises out of the bottomless pit had mortal head wound healed, equals 3569. June 8, 22 equals 3569. Okay, the Gematria matches. Not to mention the fact that in this NTI outbreak scenario, the attack begins May 15th, ends on June 5th, 1421 cases, and so 1421 equals Barack Hussein Obama Jr. death. So, according to the numerology, we can expect this to happen between June 4 and June 5th if this is correct. I mean, look at what it says. The beast that arises out of the bottomless pit had mortal head wound healed, 3569. 3.5 days after June 4, June 5th is June 8, 22, 3569. The Gematria matches. Next Gematria clue we have for June 8. June 8, 2022 equals 5114. And he doeth great wonders, so that he maketh fire come down from heaven on the earth in the sight of men. 5114. Okay, so the date, June 4 itself, is June 4, 2022 is 5321. 5321. America's President Barack Obama died. Gunshot. Mind. Regeneration. So mind regeneration. Corpse will rise after 3 days. Trick miracle event. 5321. It matches the date June 4, 2022. Both 5321. So the event matches the date, and again, very much is pointing this to be the date that prophecy that the beast will be shot and will come back to life, and everybody will wonder after the beast, which is why I believe they were counting 791 days from 4/4/20 in this happy birthday fiasco. I'm going to leave this happy birthday fiasco coding. Birthday is 604, and the date that they did that was 791 days to that date of 6/4. And Anthony Fauci said 39 in code, which equals 791, and it's exactly 791 from 4/4/20, the date of that task force, to June 4. At this point, some of you still may be skeptical that June 5th or June 4th is not really telegraphing the Headwound by Obama. So anyway, it's called monkey outbreak, 1421 cases. I have shown you already that Barack Hussein Obama Jr. death is 1421. And that's somehow magically the amount of people that they say, 1421 cases by June 4th, June 5th, 2022. Now, check this out. So you see 1421, Barack Hussein Obama Jr. death. June 4, June 5th, I have June 4. Monkeypox outbreak, 1393. Barack Obama head wound, 1393. It's all connected, and it is a code. I believe that the head wound event will be June 4, Shavuot 2022.